UK versus US formatting, VAT versus sales tax, dates and currency. Today we're tackling a small detail with big impact: UK versus US formatting in proposals, invoices, and SOWs. Money symbols, decimal separators, dates, and tax terms change across markets, and your client notices. Using the right local norms signals professionalism and reduces questions later. A US client expects sales tax and month-first dates. A UK client expects VAT and day-first dates. When your documents match the audience, approvals move faster and trust rises. Let's walk through the essential rules so your next proposal looks native, credible, and easy to sign. Start with currency. In the UK, place the pound symbol before the amount, £1, 250. In the US, place the dollar symbol before the amount, $1, 250. Keep symbols consistent. Don't mix pound and dollar in the same figure or line item. If you must reference multiple currencies, label clearly and keep them in separate sections. For cross-border clarity, add the ISO codes, GBP and USD. Example: deposit, 2,000 British pounds. Balance, 8,000 United States dollars. This prevents confusion in global teams and helps finance process payments without back and forth. For both UK and US business documents, write numbers like 1234.56, comma for thousands, period for decimals. Avoid European formatting like 1.23456, which can cause expensive misunderstandings. If your layout allows, use a non-breaking space between the currency symbol and amount to keep them together on one line. £1, 234.56, or $1, 234.56. Consistency matters. Use the same separator style throughout the document and keep 2 decimal places for money, even for round amounts, to make totals easy to audit. Taxes are where confusion starts. In the UK, prices may be ex-VAT, VAT excluded, or incl, VAT, VAT included. You must state which one. In the US, sales tax is typically added at checkout or as a separate line item. Use clear labels like ex-VAT or plus sales tax so buyers know what to expect. Remember, tax rates vary by country in the UK context and by state, and sometimes city or county in the US. If the rate can change, note that it's estimated and will be adjusted on the final invoice. Structure your totals so clients can scan quickly. Always show a subtotal, a tax line, and a grand total. UK example: subtotal EX VAT plus VAT equals total incl VAT. US example: subtotal plus sales tax equals total. This mirrors how their accounting systems work. Add tax registration details where needed. UK businesses list a VAT number. US invoices may include a seller permit or company tax ID where relevant. Clear math and compliant labels reduce objections and speed procurement approval. Match the audience's conventions. Dates UK uses DD/MM/YYYY, while the US uses MM/DD/YYYY. To avoid confusion, spell the month, the 5th of March, 2025. Spelling shifts too. Organization, UK versus organization, US. License noun, UK versus license US. For measurements, the UK leans metric, km, kilogram, cm, while many US contexts still use imperial, miles, pounds, inches. Reflect your client's standard so numbers feel familiar and legally unambiguous. Before sending, run a quick check. Use one currency per document or separate currencies into clearly labeled sections. Keep consistent separators and 2 decimal places for all money amounts. Make tables easy to scan. Align numbers to the right, use the same font size, and include a total row. If you convert currencies, footnote the exchange rate and the date used. For example, converted at 1 United States dollar equals 79 British pence on the 5th of March 2025. Consistency prevents calculation errors and avoids delays from finance queries. UK example: £9, 500.00 x VAT plus 20% VAT equals £11, 400.00. US example: $9, 500.00 plus 8.875% sales tax equals $10, 300.3.13. Notice the different tax labels and identical number formatting. Always match the tax term, currency symbol, date style, and units to your audience. When formatting feels native, clients understand costs instantly, approvals move faster, and you avoid disputes later. Small choices, like writing the 5th of March 2025 and labeling X VAT, create big credibility. Format it right, win trust, and close the deal.